Hang on guys, now today we've got something really special for you. We've got the unboxing of the Recon R10 Winch. Now, down the track we'll talk about all the specifications, but just for today, we'll get it out of the box and see what it's all about. Right, dirty great big box. And of course, on the top there is the instructions. You've got to keep those, mate. Then we have the winch. Get rid of that, we don't need that. Now, oh, geez, it's a heavy winch too. That is a heavy, big, great winch. Clutch engagement, comes with the rope, everything to go with it. So we'll just go through what's in the box and what you get basically. Controller, box full of wires, and a controller that is a remote controller. What else we got? Of course, gloves, a box of biscuits. No, these aren't biscuits. Oh yeah, there you go. That's your fairly. That's a good looking fairly. What else do we have? Oh, the green hook. There you go. And last but not least, oh yeah, your snatch block. So there you go, folks. New R10 Recon winch from EFS. And over the next coming weeks, we'll be putting it to the test. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.